Mrs. Valerie Bailey. Can you come to the forefront, please? And thank you. You will see her on the outside, but Mrs. Gray Bailey is Esquire, alright? You don't need that. A very, very, very powerful attorney, and she's very influential. She has done so much to the Jamaican diaspora, not only here in the United States, but also in Jamaica. Don't worry. You up tonight with everything. Don't worry. So, Mrs. Gray Bailey is being honored tonight for her extraordinary work as a lawyer. She looks like a liar. Talk to her. Talk to her. But don't worry. You see, she's so sit at the top. You know, you can say, oh, you know, I met that lady at the concert once. Yes. Don't. Remember, I told you. If I see her on the TV more often, you know, yes. She's gonna be judged soon. Listen, I got you. Don't worry. Step forward and collect your lovely award. Round of applause, please.
It's not many things that move me spiritually, inwardly, like being recognized by my people. I am from St. Thomas, Jamaica, and I'm proud to say that because many people don't say that, but it's the roots of Paul Bogle that I stand here today. I remember as a young child growing up, I used to go to the Martins Bay Court, and I used to look at Paul Bogle, and I knew very little then about law, but there was something about the movement that I've learned through the Martins Bay Rebellion, and just seeing all the heads of state and judges in the courtroom with the wigs on, and I was perplexed by it. And I knew at about 8 that I wanted to become a lawyer, mostly to serve and to feel fulfilled that I've made a difference in every client's life that walk in front of me. And so I want to really thank God first, the Consul General's office, Madame Consul General Wilson, her staff who work tirelessly to support me in every endeavor. I have friends here in this room that dragged me on their coattail and teach me how to serve. I didn't learn immediately. I started out just being busy with law and just watching them move me and serving. They know in this room, including the Consul General, how much they have taught me. And many of my colleagues, in particular Dr. Streete, who have done nothing but service. And as I grow older, I recognize the need not to just take, but to give back. So I am so humbled by this moment. And I want to thank my husband, Romeo, my friend Mary, who are here to support me. I didn't tell many of my family because they make much to do about nothing. But I want to thank everyone here for just being the wind beneath my wings. I don't know you, but we're connected by the thread of all the heroes that are in that book. And we are all to serve, to give back, because all the money in the world and all the accomplishment and all the land gathered nothing. It's what we can teach our children through our life experience, that you take and you give back as much as you can and never complain. Not only does the good Lord reward you, but the community don't have to thank you, but the spirit of service keep you going. Yes. Good night, ladies and gentlemen. And I thank you.
This is